open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Hindi, joke lang. Oh, biro lang, ikaw naman. Bigyan kita ng mamaya, ha? Okay, may pera pa ba ako dito? Bibigyan ka ni tita ng ano, no? Mami mo ba yun? Okay? Bigyan niyo po, ha? Magkano gusto mo? 1,000 daw pa mamaya yung tiyak niya. Okay, so, ayan, kailangan nakaganon. Ayan, okay, what I want you to do is hold my very special magic wand, which is, napaka-importante sa akin. So, nagbenta kong bahay para mapasakin to. Galing to sa isang monghe, mga kaibigan. Saka, kabundukan ng tralala, and hold this, and promise me, don't break it. Okay? Huwag mong sisirain yan kasi meron pa tayong gagawin. Okay? Ang gagawin natin habang hawak mo yung magic wand, sinira mo. What have you done? Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Okay. Tumigas ka. Anong ginawa mo? Ay, ito na lang. Okay. Grabe yung bahay ko. Kapalit ng bahay ko, sinira mo. Ay, ito meron pa akong isa. Hold this and don't break it na. Ha? Pangalawa na yan. Okay? So this time, ay, meron ako dito. Ayan, okay. Ang gagawin, ano na? Okay, iba na lang. Okay. Alright, so ito na lang. Okay? So ito, wala tayo pa magic wand. So martilyo. Bakit may martilyo doon? Hindi mo pwede martilyo. Bebe, salo, catch the martilyo. Iwasan niyo po pagkakape. Oo, kitang-kita ko yung mga madalas magkape. Kuya, wag to. Kasi ano to, okay. Paltan natin. Okay, so meron ako isang magic wand dito, kaya lang medyo delikado. Pag inikot ko ng 3, nagiging nakakatakot na hayop. 1, 2, 3, magiging ahas. Bakit may ahas doon? Don't worry, sorry po. Yung best friend ko, sumama, ahas po siya. Really? Hindi. Okay, don't worry. This is not real. It's not real. It's only a rubber. It's not moving at all. Hindi gumagalaw, hindi gumagapang. Okay, kung napansin nyo,
Uban ng banayang pagkatong tanan.
Please hold the tail. Hold the tail now. Okay, don't let it go. Hold the tail. The tail only. Don't let it go until I say so. Okay? Hold the tail as hard as you can. As hard as you can, ma'am. Okay. Very good. Okay, you can let it go now. You can let it.
Pogi. Sige na.
Aray ko. Okay lang, tatanggalin ko na lang. Okay. Ha? Okay lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kompleto pa. Okay? Iba na lang magic wand. Ito na lang siguro. Okay. Ito yung aking magic wand kasi mainit na. Ayan. Okay. Hawakan mo. Yung kabilang kamay. Ikot mo. Hindi. Yan. Tamang hawak. Yan. And then open it. Show to everybody na buo na at never mo nang sisiraan. Sige. Open. Don't break it. Oh my goodness. It's okay, guys. It's only break into 2 parts. Okay? Okay lang yan kasi 2 parts lang nangyari. Delay. Okay. Alright. Don't worry. I'm a magician. I can fix broken things and I can also fix your broken heart. Okay. Alright. So, ayan. Can you please blow it, ma'am? Ayan. Just blow it. And you, ma'am? Huwag niyo higupin, ma'am. Okay. Blow. Very good. Okay. So, blow. Buo na po yan. Okay? So, hawakan mo ng buo. Okay? It's okay. Iba na lang. Pambihira. Okay? Wait lang. Wala tayo magic wand. Pambihira. Magic wand. Ito. Okay. Ano pangalan mo ulit? Ethan. May magic wand ako. Ang problema dito, medyo masungit yung magic wand natin. Pag iba ang gagamit, umaalis siya. Gagamitin ka ni Ethan. Saan ka pupunta?
Hoy, stop.
Okay, don't move. Okay, again. I said stop moving! Paltan na lang natin. Palakpakan muna para kay Ethan. Yan, okay. Alright, kumuha na.